Hey guys, the manufacturer sent me this toilet grab bar for free so I could check it out. Something that I can use to help my grandmother out, so I'll install that for her. But for this video, I just want to do a quick unboxing for you, show it to you, and let you know what I think about it initially. So here's how it comes. Looks very simple so far. It's really solid. It was really heavy duty, so that's a good sign. So go ahead and take this out so we can see the pieces that it comes with, so you can see what has to be assembled. So that's the hardware packet that I just dropped out. So you get, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 screws or so, and some anchors. And here are your installation instructions. And this is the actual grab bar unit itself. Again, this thing, it feels really strong and sturdy. It's like you can kind of pivot and angle, so I wasn't sure about that. I didn't realize that was a feature, so that's pretty cool. But actually, goes this way, so it can be raised up and then swiveled out of the way, up tight to the wall. So I really like that feature. This plate is really strong. It feels really sturdy, and again, it comes. Let's see. Yep, 5 bolt holes. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty easy assembly. Just kind of, level it up against the wall, drill out your holes, use your anchors if you can't find the studs, and then mount them in there.